Today we're going to put in the Expedition Essentials Bronco Dash Kit. This is a relatively new kit. We saw it on Chase Gentry's channel. He did a really detailed install. So we're just going to quick hyper view here on the install of mine, and then we'll just kind of show you how we're using it. So I'll put a link down below to Chase's video if you want a little more in-depth, more up-close installation. So those of you who've been following me for a while, back when I had the 4Runner, you'll remember probably that I had a ICS dash kit, and I primarily used RAM mounts accessories for all my stuff on it. So I still have a lot of RAM mount stuff left over, as you can see in these videos here. But one of the things good thing about this particular kit is that it is based around the RAM mount system. So, you can use your track up here for those little balls right there with the T-bolt. And you have your normal little, I guess what they call diamond mount things here. And the bolts that come with them thread right into these holes. The holes are threaded, so you don't have to use a nut on the back side like I did in my old 4Runner kit. So pretty handy, I think. That way you don't have to take this thing off anytime, just switch out stuff. So pretty unique and pretty neat. So anyway, just wanted to kind of talk to you guys about that real quick, why I went with this system versus a totally different system based on a different platform.
So here we got the dash kit installed fully, all accessories. Now this is where I drive at, and I don't know if this is an accurate representation, but you can see the phone is right here. Good eyesight, good. I can touch it without leaning forward or having to stretch too far. Of course, obviously, I'm trying to use it when I'm on the phone or when I'm driving. Sorry, but yeah. So I kind of took the same MagSafe mount, you know, use that on there, so that way I can drive it. Work. Now, if I'm off-roading, of course, I won't do it. But I love that this ball is right here, and like I said before, you don't have to put nuts under this. It just screws into these threaded inserts. Same thing with these two dots. Same thing there. Same thing up there. And these up here are actually T-slot. You just twist them like we showed before, and you can slide those, easily adjust those as needed. Now this is where a GoPro might go. Now, to be honest with you, I don't film a lot from the dash, especially with the windshield being so vertical. I typically use a snap mount up on the roof, but if inclement weather, I may move to the dash, especially if it's really raining real bad. But that's just something to know. Also right here, my InReach Mini, it goes right here. You know, I only use it like when I'm out somewhere without cell service. But yeah, so I mean, that's a pretty good setup, and this thing is solid too. So I mean, it's not going anywhere, you know. And also too, you know, I may look into seeing if I can put a bigger knob here to mount the iPad Pro, to where I can have it sent out here. Like right now, I'm using this thing here, as y'all seen in the other video. It's a clamp, but it kind of intrudes if I have a passenger. Whereas if I mount it up here, I could probably put it like right here, facing me, and in that way it'd be easier. I just don't like using Gaia on the screen. You know, the CarPlay, it just doesn't seem to work as well. I haven't used Onyx Off-Road on it either yet, so I don't know if it's any better. But Gaia, I just don't. It's not as functional on CarPlay, at least not that I can see from my phone. Others may have better luck with it. I just haven't figured it quite out yet. But anyway, just want to kind of show you the finished product. I know a lot of people criticize Chase for not having stuff mounted to it, but you know, he's a busy man. I'm sure he has a lot of stuff to do, and I'm sure he'll make good use of his as well. Probably a lot more functionality on his part than mine. So, but anyway, I'll just show you guys this real quick. You could add more of these T-slot balls. These are like $5 a piece from Ram Outfits. You can get them off Amazon. I'll put some links below so you guys can buy them yourself if you want to. But yeah, they just fit in this little slot right here, and they just slide in, and then you just turn the ball, position it where you want it, and then just twist it around. If you want to move it, you just, you know, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and you can just slide it across the rail anywhere you want. You can put multiple across here if you want to. I'm not sure why you need to, but you could if you wanted to. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. We'll get more content out in the near future, and look forward to bringing you some more of our adventure, more of our stuff. Take it easy. Bye.